Gede-gede dasar Meghalaya bagi petang subhai pi baro syak ni tup kubor minta ke janmiet. Shoban pai syak kubor ke bebnya ipechma yakimat pekongsan. Kam unong yalam ke TMC Dr. Mukul Sangmaya ke Kerdan unong yalam jokal yang persya on bishar benya lampang kayeng do bar tauan. Bishar ke sorkar jelai ke jeng ai jeng mut dan tinggi district Temai po ke East Khasi Hills kapan donnya ke headquarter seolah. Bat palat sanpo hajar mut ki brio ki imja na ki kam jengok kai perthei pat ki kamai kaji ha ke jela. Ki kubor ki babnya Unong yalam jong keseng TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kami alade banlong unong yalam jong kaliang persya ha ke yeng dorbar tauan ke jela. Kani kalami adien ke jing no kam jong MLA keseng Congress Uronavi Lingdo na ke kambat ke jing kesan jong ya keseng TMC. Lampang ke yeng dorbar tauan ke jela Thomas A Sangma ula penskem ya ke jing no kam iba Ronnie Lingdo. Bat ke jing bon pa jong ke TMC ke pemerintah ki don henriong mut ringkat ke jeng kersan jong unong yalam keseng Kongres. Lampang ladap ban kemi bnia ya kani ke jeng kambat unsa penasyan ya karai. Hakawai pat kaliang ke TMC ruk ladap ban ya ke jeng kersan ke jong kaya MLA keseng Kongres nak bentar ke Kerdan Chief Whip jong kaliang persya.
I received a resignation letter from Ronnie Lingdo as leader of the opposition, and at the same time, he had come with a letter of support to TMC also. So, Dr. Mukul Sangma, as a leader of the TMC party, had state claim to the post of leader of opposition. I have received a letter with the support of one lone Congress MLA and 5 TMC members in the House, so their strength has gone up to 6.
Since we felt there was a need that the post of fellow should not be left vacant, because as I said, it's not only in the House, but then have certain committees where the yellow is part of that committee. For example, like I cited the example of State Security Commission. Now, that is a very, very important commission. So we felt the need that there should be, representation from the opposition.
Sembut Menteri Rambak Kejelau Pak Preston Tensong ula pentip ha ke yang dorbar bah ke sorkar ke donjing temu ban penmi ia ke distrik Betemai po ke East Khasi Hills ke bandon ia ke headquarter hasora. Kani ke jing terwa ke temu ban kentiu ya ke rukom trekam ke babiang bat ki kampen roy ha ki shnong da ke bashim ya ke jing ajemut ban penmi sa ke ke distrik na ke bentar ke Mausen Ram bat ki additional development blocks.
We know not only Mausen Ram, we do have quite a number of more places which need the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mausen Ram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in a position to tell the other members and also the people of Mausen Ram area Assam.
Sembut Menteri Rambak Kejelah ubasnya balang dahar. Hene kesngi ulai tuo haki dorbar tauan bak sorkar kala penlong ya ke jeng kemi pnya labon sen. Ban itu ya kidau bekongsan ki penlong ke jeng deheng kali ke bakha hanong ba shalong. Haba ai juba ba ke kenta keli jeng keli uba dahar ubadai kemi ya ke tanat ki kampen roy sor. Ula ong bakini ki jeng kemi pnya ki kentop ya ke blueprint ban pelat ya ke jeng deheng kali hasilong ke belapen wando da ke tanat pulit haringkat ke jeng ajeng mut jong ka IIM Shillong bat ka comprehensive mobility plan hajar pusau da ke tanat ki kampen roy sor. Shosho ula pentip bak sorkar kelasem kia ban wanra ya ki kampen roy haringkat ke jeng ele ban penek bat sumar ya ke me mariang.
Accelerating traffic congestion is a multi-pronged strategy also involving improvement of the existing urban spaces. These are yes and if some government has conducted through several studies to identify the key factors contributing to traffic congestion in Shillong city. These studies include the blueprint to decongest Shillong, designed by the Home Police Department in consultation with IIM Shillong, and the Comprehensive Mobility Plan 2024 by the Urban Affairs Department. And these studies reveal the following gaps in tackling traffic congestions.
Menteri Ketenat ki kam jengok kai perthai ubak polling do ula pensyai haki yang dorbar. Baka kam jengok kai perthai kadon ni kebenta ka bakongsan haka yok ka kot jong ka jela. Da ka baong bakumba san po hajar ngut ki brio ki yok kamai kaji naka. Ula batai ya ki kam ki baka sorkar kelashim kia ben kentiu ki kam jengok kai kaban longkum kalat ai kam ai jam bat ki kam kai pateng. Ya kini kejeng keren la penbut pat sada kejeng aware na MLA kaseng UDP na nongpo uba meral bonds iem ban kentiu ya katanat ki kam jengok kai perthai. MLA ke NPP na seorang uba Gavin Miguel Melim ulah keren nak yang dorbar ba kejeng pelip lat ke bakak ba kejeng do jong ki transformer kelak tak shibun ya ki jaka nong kendong haki babun ki liang. Ulah kentui ke sorkar ban le halor kani kamat dah ka babu jeng keli ya ka jeng penslem ban maramot bat bujli ki transformer ha ka constituency ke jang u. Menteri Ketenat boarding itu mondel ulah pentikna bak sorkar kadang ya le ban penbiang ye ki jeng don kam jok ketenat kam tam haki jaka nong kendong.
Frequent disruption of power supply, especially in rural areas. Frequent breakdown of transformers are some of the major problems faced by our rural populace, which has also affected the various business establishments, and I think so this is something which the government needs to properly examine. In the last several months in my constituency alone, several transformers broke down in several villages, where the people had to wait for weeks, sometimes even months, to get for replacement.
Kaseng Voice of the People Party, kelakan thok ke National People's Party, nak kebenta ke jeng bun pat ke jongka, hak jeng don ki hinriu pungut kit khot, hak yang dorbar tauan dak baong ya ka, baka dei ke jeng bun pat ke bom syong hok. Presiden ke VPP uba Arden Miller besayumot ulapan pau baka jeng bun pat ke NPP kam don ya ke jeng shisha. Namar baka klem yo ya ka ling ba ka jeng job hak election hinrei ling ba ka jeng pet seng jong ki MLA. Ka VPP kelapan tikna bakan sa shimkia ban don syu ka jeng pet seng bat kan bu dien kat kum ka an lada don kam.
To be proud of, because this is not an election where people elected a party with a single largest. They got that number through proxy, and maybe those MLAs they cannot withstand the pressure that the government is giving towards the members belonging to the opposition. So had they won on their own during the election, had they won by the verdict of the people, yes, I would have appreciated, I would have congratulated, but they've got this number through proxy. So there's nothing to share about.
Ki nong snong jong ka snong mau haringkat pak kinong yalam snong bat kum juru ki seng bhalang ki lapan pau ya ka jeng kesan ka bupura ya ka jeng pensngau pat ba lor ka jeng ti do yong kat kum ka jeng start science ha pendeng sha lang coal block ya ka ni ka jeng yalang pensngau pat ba lapan long da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka belawan bani shim benta de kinong train de ki tenat paper pat la ya kren ha lor ki mat ki bedai pak ka jeng beteng ya ki kam ti do yong ya ka belakang menta la palat ship house nem kasenong lakdo yi gijing baki mat bak gijing syak keta na ya ka yok ka kot na ka jing khang ya ka kam ti do yong bat ki pen paw yi gijing kermen ba on shim ya ka rai ka bade
Beliau snow baru gijing syak khang saya usiap saya kati mau bagun ta terte jadi perkhat kamu ba lakham kingkor ya kita kamariang ong meni ubri. Kaya kebana kalian jangan kesoban pau hagani kapor kalong ba. Haba im kamariang wi ubri ung igai batin. Omla ban im ta kamariang wi ubri ung ya. Harai kecik pentrai kumba misokmen mata. Ba kasih pentrai odoyong kalong takung kata kasat sayang. Ani kata ka bakila banyaga kabalans sebenyong bahap banyaga banyak kamariang banyak ni ubri. Nak kalian jumikum ka FPCP mau circle dak kawai kasur nilarai ba. Hagani ka meeting ka pamata ni ay kasih kesan bukura ya iba shining banyak ban pentrai no ban no yo sok pendak jong kajing jar kajing kerduk kajing ban hak kian som hak yigisan jong kadong kathai jogi
I Angelia Marben I thei dat riam ba arpusau snem ke erta na Shillong ila syak jiet kum inong job jong ke Femina Miss India hak jela but insa let ban mikmat ya ke jela syak jeng yakop national pageant hak jeng lang ba gnong thok kubo bela penlong ha Shillong Press Club I kong Marwen ila thu shpang ke jeng ya denti ke jong I ke jeng puli ke jeng jiet I ke subject political science but ru I ke jeng angnu jong I ban penpau perthei ya ke jeng rius pa ke kolshor jong ke jela ila kintu ru ikinong shong ke jela ban ai jeng kershani I haki rinsan social media kenang ba ini yo rung hakathup top 12 but ban yo bat ya ka nam multimedia subtitle
I have done my schooling from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, my bachelor's from St. Edmund's College and my master's degree from St. Anthony's College. As a person, I'm a very adventurous person. My hobbies include trekking, swimming, doing any adventurous thing, be it cliff jumping or river rafting, something like that. And I have also a keen interest in dancing and music. I've also been really active in sports. I used to play basketball and I was a track athlete in school. Since the day I decided to participate in Femina Miss India, my biggest supporter has always been my entire family and all my friends. The contest will be held on the end of October, last week October. We don't really know the dates yet. They've not specified, but soon I'll be sharing that with you all.
Ka Farmers Broomstick Association maukan raw kala penpau ke jing so kemen halor ke jing kio dor jong usen sar na ka sau po sya ka san po tengka shikilo bat ki kermen ru bakan sakio biang sak sya ka shispa tengka shikilo ha ka jing lang bat kila patai khubor I president jong ka association I ba abis ko nong spung ilaya ro ya UMLA bolas ngap e ke jing ujor jong ki halor ke jing dunador jong usen sar ke blakta e ke jing em jong kinong rep Ki nongnya auto rickshaw ha nanong po bat ki jaka ba marjan kla penlong ya ke jingelang menta kesengi bandawai ke rukom trekam ke besai bat banjit nong elang bathamai ha ka nongpo region auto owners and drivers association hadiem bla aipor khatsan sengi ke nongpo region auto owners and drivers association bat penbat ki jing jongki ki nongnya kali kla kentho ya ke jing penslem bat ke jing bembiang ke rukom ai jubab jongki kila aipor sa san sengi ye ki nong elang ban khot ye ke jingelang pat ba ban ai jing tip sepang ke pisah tengka bat ke jing pentemai kino kit kam na ke bentar ke jing mentor ke jongki kum ka jing rakhe ke breastfeeding week ke national health mission kala penlong ye ke healthy baby show ha lum kerwiang urban primary health and wellness center ha ke ke jing rakhe la pen iya sau punyongot ki khlong ha ki artli ki kerdan kat kum ka erta ke batmu ban kentiu ke jing he jing san ke bapaka jing ki khlong bat ke mission kala banjuru halor ke jeng kongsan ke jeng ai bun bat ke jeng ai ki jeng bam ki bete ka tenat housing jong ke sorka Meghalaya ke penlong ya ke program pen burom ki nong tre ke Meghalaya State Housing Board ke belashim ke voluntary retirement scheme 8,000 apusau u chairman uba daman bat lamare ula pentip ya ke housing board bat ai ru ya ki check sha ki nong tre ki belasha krislem Ka Southwest Khasi Hills Badminton Association kala penlong yang program kitbok na kebentai kinong elek kai ke mensay kun hak State Badminton Championship 8,000 pusau ka balai pukandai. Ya kini program la penlong hanehu indoor sports hall hak belayo i ya ki punyongut kinong elek kai na ki kenhun beper ke belayo pediang ki jengkersan bat jengerap na ki he officer bat kinong kersan kat bagi dang penkre menit ya kun hak championship. Mentang nepet ke jenglong jaman ke sin beneng hanong ba shalong ke jengshit kalong khatn riu pon riu degree celsius ke jengkret kalong arpusan pon sau degree celsius ke jenghap slap kalong iwei pon khandai millimeter ke jeng singam kau hau kalong nyau pusan nakashi spa ke por min step bat khandai pulai nakashi spa ha ke por janmien kelak benon ke jenghap slap ke malu mala ke jeng ti perthat ha ke bebon ke jaka Ti perlok katung lapoi sok bukut jang tuk kubor jang mata ke janmit haduk meni champion pilih syai ke singi kuble pi baro
Chief Minister Pema Khandu inaugurates renovated Arunachal Bhavan at Tinsukia in Assam.